guys! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lay. I do videos on luxury, styling, and beauty. So if you like those things, you're most definitely welcome to subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss any of my uploads. Today will be a quick video. This will be an unboxing of something that I have been eyeing on for many months. I've lusted over this piece, but now I finally have it in my collection and I can't wait to show you guys. I haven't actually seen this yet, so we are gonna see this for the first time together. So now let's get started. Quick background story. About 2 to 3 weeks ago, I went to the Louis Vuitton store with a friend. She was interested in seeing the key pouch. I was, wanting to see this piece in person. And so we already checked in. We were going around. We were, just checking out other pieces in the store. And then it suddenly dawned on me that I couldn't see any key pouch and this specific item. As we were waiting for our turn to be assisted, we asked the SA if they have it in store, because if they don't have it, then there was no point in us waiting. As she was checking the inventory, she found out that there was none in store. That kind of caused a little panic in me, but then I thought there's still 3 other Louis Vuitton stores nearby, so I was like, it's fine, I'll probably just gonna call the other store and see if they have it. And so I called the other store thinking that they have it there and I could just drop by and pick it up or something, but then they said that they also don't have it. And at this point, I was already a bit worried. And I know some people will think it's funny or it's really shallow. Cut the long story short, they said that this piece is completely out of stock in the entire US. I called several times and have gotten different answers. One point I called and they said they don't have it anywhere in the US. And then there was this one time I called, they said that they don't have it anywhere in the state. I was really confused, but I was thinking that I really couldn't care less what print I get it as long as I get this piece. And yeah, so I was getting frustrated already. So I just kind of gave up for a little while because it was making me anxious. And my husband thought that it was really funny. And so one day, I asked him to call the Louis Vuitton client services for me because I was already getting frustrated, to be honest. I didn't want to hear another bad news about this piece. We were both at the hospital. I was having a doctor's appointment. And then after my appointment, so I walked to him and asked him if he called, and he said that they have it. I was really surprised because I didn't expect that he would order it by phone. I just asked him to, check availability and stuff like that. I was very happy that he did that. But then I was also very surprised when he said that when he was talking to the SA, they said that they have a lot of it in Southern California. So I don't know what's going on with LV. I think they need to get it together, when it comes to inventory, because it's really, really confusing. So I got the email confirmation of the transaction, and so I was waiting for a few days to get another email for shipment. But after 4 days, we still don't have it. I decided to call Louis Vuitton to ask if they're indeed sending me another email to confirm, shipment. And they said that I should be getting that email soon. I told myself that if after a week I still don't get an email, I would probably give them a call again and, just reach out to see, check what's going on. As I was going out today, the delivery man arrived and dropped off 2 boxes. I didn't even bother to check who it was for because it's just me and my husband here, so we don't really, mind opening each other's package or whatever. I didn't even check where it's from. I just opened it and it was filled with this paper, a lot of paper. So I was like, okay, maybe it's for my husband. I didn't check the name again. And then I saw a very familiar orange peeking through, and I was really, really happy to get this finally, because up until now, I haven't received any email confirming that they shipped out the item. I don't know what's happening with Louis Vuitton, but I'm just a bit concerned that these things can happen because I don't know, what if this was like a bigger purchase and something happens to the package somewhere along the way, right? And you don't have any way of tracking it and you don't even know that it was shipped out to begin with. That was my experience. It didn't come with anything. It just came with a receipt and, this box. It didn't come with any samples or paper bag or anything like that, but still I'm very, very happy. So without further ado, let's unbox this baby. There it is. It's quite hard. There, of course. Everyone's familiar with this box, and of course the dust bag there. And you guys know what this is because it's there on the title, but oh, I'm so happy! Look at that! It's so cute! Oh my goodness, it's just really, really cute. I like the beige interior of this, and I can't wait to use this one. I don't intend really to use this like a pouch because I normally just carry a mini bag with me. So I'm probably gonna use this as a very little bag because I already have a chain for this. And the reason why I wanted to do this video now, and I couldn't wait to unbox this, is because I'm actually going to the city, and now that I have this, I'm thinking of getting this hot stamped right here. I'm not sure if they will allow it. Some say that they don't do it for the mini pochette, but I will try. And so this is her again. Just wanted to show you. I decided to get this in the Damier Azur because I don't have anything from Louis Vuitton in this print. So I'm very, very happy that I found it in the print that I exactly wanted. So there it is. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm probably gonna give you guys an update whether or not I get this hot stamped today. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye!